In this video, we're covering traffic lights to be treated as a four-way stop. How do you know when to do so? If you see all four lights flashing in synchronicity, be it either the red lights or the amber lights, then treat it as a four-way stop. Alternatively, you may not see any lights on at all due to there perhaps being a power outage, and so likewise, then treat it as a four-way stop. I do have a separate section on the website that goes into a fair amount of detail on four-way stops, and I'll put a link to that section in the description of the video below. But there you will get a very good understanding of the rules that govern who has the right of way at a four-way stop. So go have a look at that. In the animation, we are having a look at what is the most important of those rules, namely that whichever vehicle or driver arrives at the stop line first is the first to go. In the animation then, the blue vehicle arrives first to go, black vehicle second to go, green vehicle third to go, and then lastly the white vehicle arrives and is the last to go. In the real life clip, you'll see that the traffic lights are all flashing red, so in all four directions, so this is to be treated as a four-way stop. As the camera gets closer, you'll notice that there's a vehicle just to the right of him that doesn't treat it as a four-way stop, just continues to progress across the intersection, and being on the far side of the camera, his visibility is limited as to any vehicles now approaching from the left side. So he goes ahead, totally oblivious of any vehicle now crossing the intersection, and there's a collision in the intersection. In the next clip, we'll see flashing lights as well, but in this case it's amber lights, not the red lights as we saw in the previous clip. So also, likewise, to be treated as a four-way stop. In this real-life clip, neither of the vehicles traveling at right angles to one another have done so, haven't treated it as a four-way stop, and suffer the consequences when they collide in the intersection. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.